Welcome back to Sisterhood Studio.
My name is Varsha
And my name is Vanisha,
and we are back again with one more video.
which we just got done shooting with.
So the whole idea behind shooting this video was my sister, she shifted from Bangalore and she moved it here. So what is the one thing which happens when you move out from one place and shift into one more place?
So I had 5 suitcases when we shift. Cases of clothes only.
5 suitcases, that's it, There was a huge clutter. This is how it looked like.
Right.
So we will show you how we organized the wardrobe.
There are 3 simple steps to do this entire decluttering.
Step number 1. When you find a t-shirt or a top like this, which is very shrinked and your sister wore it in 8th grade, then what do? You just discard it. And something like this, which is also...
This is a crop top. I still wear it.
Okay, you can keep that.
Okay, and also I realized there were a lot of clothes like this, which you can
Torn.
see here is like torn. So I would highly recommend you discard it or repair it.
Yeah, so that was a tip number 1. Just discard the things which you don't want.
Step number 2, fold everything really well. So this is where the organizing part comes, and I suck at this.
So here's how we did the folding.
Starting with the kurta that we just folded.
And then coming to the top. After folding it, also make sure that you organize things in one place. So keep all your kurtas at one place.
That is where step number 3 comes to place. Organize.
Yes. So organize all your t-shirts together, the daily wears together, the kurtas.
Things that you use frequently should be always in the front, so that it's easy to reach and you can just pick it out whenever you need it.
You can also put into hanger the clothes which are your favorites or which you would like to keep the fold like that once it's ironed.
Mainly in this cupboard, we put in heavy Indian wear. Here we organized our kurtas, our Indian wear, our home daily wear, as well as a few bags. So as you can see, this is how it looked like. As an additional step, we are giving away a few tips that we found were very helpful for our organization.
So tip number 1 is to keep all the satin and the silky clothes and the one which always slips from your wardrobe in one place.
That's right, and this really saves space.
Yeah.
Tip number 2 is to organize your lingerie really well in a drawer. So ours was a lot simpler. I would suggest, if you can, then try and get these cardboard organized.
So tip number 3 is do not keep your dressing table stuff in your wardrobe.
Correct.
Because I am so
Very
clumsy
clumsy.
and if I go and touch the perfume, it might fall down. So
Correct. Number 4 is to use hangers, and the one that my sister gave me, this one here, she bought it from Amazon. We'll leave the link to buying one of these hangers in the description box below. Number 5 would be
anything comes with a lot of patience, so be patient.
try and maintain the cupboard that you've already organized in a better way. That's the biggest tip for me, and I hope I follow it.
If you have some tips which you would like to give us,
Let's create this as a community where we can share everything.
do give comments over here in the comment
As to
section.
how you organize your wardrobes and how we could have done it better, maybe.
Yeah, so if you like this video
And found this video helpful, then do the regular drill. Like, share, subscribe.
and press the tongue button.
Do not miss any updates from us. See you guys in the next video, and
Bye.
please do subscribe, guys. Bye. Okay.
Tip number 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is what was tip number 2? We had 4 tips.
And organized and keep it in your shelf. So and then keep
What
it.
is keep it in your shelf? So Mama, we happy with the hair, but
A few moments later.
yeah, one more hair.
Yeah.
An eternity later.
So if you really like, sorry, then the tongue
Wait,
video.
And found it helpful.
You were supposed to tell one thing which girls love the most.
Shopping for clothes.